Japanese style souffle cheesecake is our all-time favorite, and this time I made it with Greek yogurt. It's lighter than cream cheese and more affordable, but still gives you that fluffy and soft texture that everyone loves. Thank you for the comment and questions. I have created the foolproof recipe that rises beautifully every time. Let's get started. First, line a pan with a parchment paper. Fold a piece of parchment paper into a triangle, then fold in half and then in quarters. Cut the curve to match the size of the bottom. The paper for the size should be taller than the pan. This helps the cake rise beautifully. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit. Separate the egg yolks and whites. Remove the calaza, the little white stringy part, if you like the smoother texture. Add Greek yogurt to the yolk and whisk well until smooth. Shift in the cornstarch and flour. Whisk until the butter becomes slightly sticky. This helps develop a gluten so the cake holds its shape better. Set aside while you make the meringue. In a cream bowl, start whisking the egg whites. Add granulated sugar all at once and continue whisking at medium speed. You want a soft, glossy meringue with tiny air bubbles, not stick peaks. But it should be hold its shape like this. This looks perfect. Add 1 scoop of meringue into the egg yolk batter and whisk until fully combined. No streaks left. Then gently fold the rest of the meringue into 2 stages using the whisk. When about 90% is combined, switch to a spatula and fold carefully until the mixture is smooth and even. The butter should look like this, glossy and shiny and not too airy. Pour the butter into your prepared pan. Use chopsticks to gently draw a spiral through the butter. This helps pop out the large air bubbles. Tap the pan onto the counter a few times to remove more air bubbles. Place the cake pan into a larger pan and pour hot water into the baking tray. This water base helps the cake bake gently and rise beautifully. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And when it starts to browning, open the door briefly to release the steam. Reduce the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius, 250 Fahrenheit, and bake for another 40 minutes, opening the door every 10 minutes to let the steam out. And too much steam can cause the cracks. Once it's done, turn off the oven and leave the cake inside with the door slightly open for about 10 minutes. The cake will rise beautifully, then shrink slightly. This means it cooked through. Remove from the oven and let it cool to the touch for 5 to 10 minutes and take out from the mold. Then transfer to a rack. Let it go to room temperature. You can enjoy it as is or chill for more condensed taste. Let's go over the 3 most important steps to make this cake beautifully every time. Number 1. Whisk the egg yolk batter until slightly sticky. This helps develop structure and makes the batter stable. Number 2. Make soft and glossy meringue with fine bubbles. It's easier to fold in and less likely to deflate. Number 3. Start baking at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit, then drop to 120 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Fahrenheit and release steam regularly. This prevents the cracks and keeps the texture fluffy and cook through. It makes me so happy every time I bake this beautiful cake. And I want you to feel the same way. Light and fluffy and gently sweet, and perfect for a coffee break or weekend brunch. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how yours stands out. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!